Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there was a little workshop filled with the sweet sounds of creation. In this magical workshop, every tool had a name and a special purpose. Hammers, saws, and nails were all hard at work, creating beautiful things. One day, a young boy named Timmy wandered into the workshop, curious and eager to learn. He was drawn to the whirring saws and the clinking hammers, and he couldn't wait to start his own project. "Hello, little one," said the kind old carpenter, noticing Timmy's wide eyes. "What brings you to our workshop today?" "I want to build something," Timmy said, with a sparkle in his eyes. "Something that will make me feel proud." The carpenter smiled and nodded, handing Timmy a small piece of wood. "Then let's get started, shall we?" Together, they worked on Timmy's project. The carpenter showed him how to sand the wood, how to measure and cut, and how to hammer the nails just right. As the day went by, Timmy's project took shape. He worked hard, and he worked with care, and before he knew it, he had built a beautiful birdhouse. "It's perfect!" Timmy exclaimed, admiring his work. "I'm so proud of what I've made." The carpenter clapped his hands together, a pleased smile on his face. "You've done a fantastic job, Timmy. You should be very proud." And so, Timmy left the workshop with his birdhouse in hand, feeling proud and happy. He knew that he had learned something new that day, and he couldn't wait to see what else he could create. As he walked home, he heard the birds singing, and he knew that his birdhouse would soon be home to many. He couldn't wait to see them fluttering around, enjoying the home he had made. And the workshop continued to hum with the sounds of creation, inspiring countless more little ones to come and learn, just like Timmy. For every tool in the workshop had a special power, the power to create and to inspire, and it was a power that would never fade away.